Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever we are. This is a weekly breakdown of the financial market this week. So, before I do any analysis, I have to know the strength of the dollar. So, currently, we can see that dollar just created a new low. It has broke out of this range. It has broke out of this daily range. So now the direction of dollar is clear that dollar is currently weak. So let's now look at where we can view the dollar to, you know, displaced to in the next few weeks. I expected the price to have tested this imbalance, but price into that it rejected this high. So it means this high is now the new high here, the recent high. Price is coming from this high. Mind you, this other high was not induced, so we expect price to at least mitigate this place. But what the price left us, it started rallying down to the downside. Now this is the weekly. Let's see how the weekly candle closes. If the weekly candle closes bearish right below this low, we should expect more displacement. Now this high is refused to, be mitigated. What will happen? We are still expecting this low to be induced. Now, if we use our Fibonacci retracement, this high to this high, you can see at least price has come down to 50% retracement. But from this high to this place, price is actually balanced here. It's at equilibrium. So we expect that price is coming from a level of supply. It should go to another level of demand. We expect price to at least do something like this, drop down to this place before before any other thing happens. Should we just be going for a lower time frame demand, which is here? We have a lower time frame demand level here. But if the price closes with a body here, we should expect more drop. But if it refuses and it closes as weak, then we should just wait for price to react. Now, mind you, we have this low here. A break of structure happened. Price came back to where that structure was broken. It retested it, and it started. So when this eye is taken out now, we should expect a change of character. So until these very highs are taken out, we should expect that price has continued being bullish. Price did not refuse to take out this high. So I cannot confirm that there's a change of character here. If price breaks this low, I'll wait for a change of character before I start, to sell. So this is just all I can see on DXY for the weekly time frame. Nothing much on the weekly time frame. So now let's go to the daily time frame. I work mostly on the daily time frame because that's where I do my analysis the most, because I'm a day trader. Now you can see price has closed. Price has traded right below here. So we should expect price to at least come to this level, mitigate this level, then now wait for it to react. So this is GU. But if you notice, something is happening here. We have a break of structure here, internal range. We have a break of structure here. Until this place is violated, he really has nothing much to do right now already. You can just see that it's just going slowly. But meanwhile, there's a trend that is forming here. In case you care to know, this is actually like a trend line liquidity. If this trend line is broken, if price, at least this trend line, you can see there's an order block around this level. If my order block meets with my trend line, and if price invalidates this order block, then I can tell you that the structure has continued, it has changed to being bearish. Feel this very imbalance here, this FVG. I expect price to come for it, and that will be a safe zone. So that's just what I can see for GU. So there's nothing really more. Let's go to the daily. Okay, now I can still see what's happening here. Now a break of structure, you can still see here. If it tests this other block, fine, we are good. If it doesn't, then we should expect that the price continues to rally up. What I expect is that price should respect the DXY. I should be looking at retracement down to at least this place. If price at least induces low and starts to rally, fine. But meanwhile, I'm not in for selling anymore because DXY is strongly bearish and I cannot do anything against the dollar strength. Now we expect that the price should mitigate this low and come forward. Looking at the distance, the recent high and low, price is currently in a what demand area. So let's see how it plays out for the week. But today is Monday. I'm sitting on my hands. I cannot say for sure that this is what will happen, but I expect that price should come to this level.